Hello students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 6 on chapter number 8 decimals, and today we are going to do exercise 8.4. Now this exercise is based on the conversions. First, let us understand how we can convert kilometers into meters or meters into kilometers. The basic rule, the punch line for this is King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Just remember this line and you will be able to do your conversions very easily. Now I repeat, King Harry died, mother did not cry much. The first initials of the word represent K for kilometers, M for meters, C for centimeters and M for millimeters. Remember this. Next step is, if you see, I have made the curves that are the number of jumps. The number of moves or number of jumps you will make to reach to the another conversion. If you are moving to your right hand side from kilometers to meters or centimeters or millimeter, that means right hand side, that means moving forward, you will multiply it with that number of tens. For example, if I want to convert kilometers into meters, how many jumps are there? If you see, there are 3 jumps. 3 jumps means 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10, which means 3 zeros, that is 1000 meters. Okay. Suppose I want to convert from meters to centimeters. From meter to centimeters, how many jumps are there? There are only 2 jumps. 1 meter is equal to 10 into 10, 2 jumps, 2 zeros, which is equal to 100 centimeters. Same way, if I want to convert centimeters to millimeters, so there is only 1 jump. That means 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Now this is when I am moving forward or when I am moving towards my right hand side. But if I have to move opposite direction, that means I am moving backward or I am moving towards my left hand side. In that case, I will divide with that number of zeros. Like when I am moving forward, I am multiplying it. When I am moving backwards or I am moving on the left hand side, I will divide with that number of zeros. For example, if I want to change from centimeters to meters, what is happening is I am moving backwards. How many steps I moved backward? 2 steps. I took 2 jumps to reach to meters. 2 jumps means I will divide it by 100. So 1 centimeter will be equal to 1 upon 100 meters. Okay. Similarly, suppose I want to find out meters to centimeters. Okay. Then it will be multiplied. For meters to centimeters, I am moving forward. Just remember, when I am moving forward, I will be multiplying it. If I am moving backwards, I will be dividing it. Is it very clear? It's very simple. Just learn this chart. King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Based on this, based on moving forward or moving backward, you will be very easily find out the conversions. Let's begin with the exercise. Question number 1. Express as rupees using decimals. Now we know already what is 1 rupee. 1 rupee is made up of 100 paise, or 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. Now here, since we have to find out in rupees, paisas are given to us, we want to know the answer in rupees. It means that 1 paise is equal to 1 upon 100 rupees. Remember this. Now whatever paisas are given to you, just multiply 1 upon 100 with it. Find out the fraction and convert it into decimal. Your answer will come in rupees. For example, number 1. 5 paisa is given to you. 5 multiplied by 1 upon 100. Now 1 paisa is 1 upon 100. So 5 paisa will be 1 upon 100 multiplied by 5. I need to multiply to find out the rupees. It becomes 5 upon 100. Now I have taught you already earlier videos that how we have to convert it into decimal when zeros are there in the denominator. How many zeros are there? 2 zeros. What will I do? I will move 2 steps on my left hand side to put the decimal. But I have only one place, 5. There is no 2 places. For the missing place, I will put zeros. So, after the decimal, there should be 2 places or 2 digits to represent 100. So, my answer is rupees 0.05. B part, 75 paise. So, multiply with 1 upon 100 becomes 75 upon 100. So, how many decimal places, how many digits I have to count? 2 digits. So, there is 5, there is 7. So, where will be decimal? After 7. So, my answer is rupees 0.75. 20 paise. 20 paise means 20 upon 100, which means rupees 0.20. D part, 50 rupees 90 paise. Now 50 rupees will remain as 50. We will put plus sign. 90 paise to convert it into rupees means 90 multiplied by 1 upon 100, which means 90 upon 100. So I will write it as 50 plus 0.90. So rupees are 50.90. Last part, 725 paise. 725 multiplied by 1 upon 100 becomes 725 upon 100. So 2 places I need to count, 5 and 2. So decimal will be between 7 and 2. My answer is rupees 7.25. Question number 2. Express as meters using decimals. Now here you are in the questions, you are given centimeters. From centimeters I have to convert it into meters. What does it mean? I have written the quotes. King Harry died, mother did not cry much. I have written the initial. That means where is centimeters and where is meters? I am moving backwards. How many steps I have to move backwards? 2 steps. First I will go C to D, then I will go D to M. 2 steps I will jump. So that means I will divide it by 100. So 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meters. So wherever centimeters are given, we will just multiply with 1 upon 100. Now, you need to find out 15 centimeters into meters. So we already know 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100. So 15 centimeters will be 15 into 1 upon 100, which is 15 upon 100. So my answer is 0.15 meters. Second, 6 centimeters. So 1 centimeter is 1 upon 100. 6 centimeters will be 6 multiplied by 1 upon 100, which is 6 upon 100. My answer is 0.06 meters. C part, 2 meters 45 centimeters. Now 2 meters will remain as 2. For 45 centimeters I have to divide it by 100. That becomes 2 plus 45 upon 100, which means 2 plus 0.45, that is 2.45 meters. D part, 9 meters 7 centimeters. Now meter will remain as meter, that is 9, plus 7 centimeter will be divided by 100, that is 7 upon 100, which means 9 plus 0.07, which is equal to 9.07 meters. E part, 419 centimeters. 419 multiply by 1 upon 100, that is 419 upon 100. Put the decimal between 4 and 1. Your answer is 4.19 meters. So, if you know the conversion rule, King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Based on that, how many steps you are moving forward or backward, you can easily find out the conversions. Question number 3. Express as centimeters using decimal. Now in this you are given millimeters. Millimeters means the last part. King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Last M stands for millimeters. You have to convert it into centimeters. That means I am moving only 1 step back. 1 step backwards or 1 step left hand side means 1 upon 10 centimeters. So 1 mm is equal to 1 upon 10 centimeters. The question is 5 mm. So 1 mm is 1 upon 10 centimeters. So 5 mm is equal to 5 multiplied by 1 upon 10, that is equal to 5 upon 10, which is equal to 0.5 centimeters. B part, 60 mm. 60 mm means 1 mm is 1 upon 10. So 60 mm is 60 multiplied by 1 upon 10, which is 60 upon 10. 0 gets cancelled. It remains 6 centimeters. Then 164 mm. 164 multiplied by 1 upon 10. So 164 upon 10, only one decimal place is there. So that is 6 and 4 in between. You will put the decimal. Answer is 16.4 centimeters. D part, 9 centimeters 8 mm. So centimeters will remain as centimeters, that is 9. For 8 mm we will convert it into centimeters, so it will be 8 upon 10. It becomes 9 plus 0.8, which is equal to 9.8 centimeters. Next is 93 mm. So 93 upon 10 becomes 9.3 centimeters. Question number 4. Express as kilometer using decimals. Now here our options given are, we are given meters. From meters we have to convert it into kilometers. So what is the golden rule? King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Now from m means meters. From meters I am going to k, that is kilometers. That means I am moving backwards. But how many steps I am moving? I am moving 3 steps. M to D, D to H and H to K, which means I will divide it by 1000. So 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. Now the question is 8 meters. Now 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000. So 8 meter will be equal to 8 multiplied by 1 upon 1000, which is 8 upon 1000. Now there are 3 zeros. I need 3 places in the numerator to put the decimal. But there is only one digit 8. So for 2 empty places I will put 0. So it becomes 0.008 kilometers. B part, 88 meters. Now 1 meter is equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometers. So 88 meter will be equal to 88 into 1 upon 1000, which is 88 upon 1000. Now I need 3 places, but I have 2 already, 88. So for the missing place I will put 0 to make it 3 places. 0.088 kilometers becomes the required answer. C part, 888 meters. So 888 multiplied by 1 upon 1000, which is 888 upon 1000. We have 3 places in the numerator. So I will just put the decimal on the left hand side. It is 0.888 kilometers. 70 kilometers, 5 meters. 70 will remain as 70. Put a plus sign. 5 into 1 upon 1000, which is 5 upon 1000, which is 70 plus 0.005. Add them together, it becomes 70.005 kilometers. Question number 5. Express as kgs using decimal. Now here till now what we were doing is we were using meters. Now we are using grams or kgs. Now remember the rule is same. We used to do King Harry died, mother did not cry much. Now for the kgs or grams it becomes King Harry died, grandmother did not cry much. So in the center instead of M I used G. G as grandmother. G for grams. So I have given the questions grams here. You need to move backwards to K. K means kgs. Gram to kgs, 3 steps are there. Moving backwards, so to be divided by 1 upon 1000. So 2 grams means 2 upon 1000, which is equal to 0.002 kgs. 100 grams means 100 upon 1000, which is 0.100 kgs. 3750 grams means 3750 upon 1000. Now there are 4 places in the numerator, but we need 3. So just count from your right and move towards your left 3 steps. So your decimal will come between 3 and 7. Answer is 3.750 kgs. D part, 5 kgs, 8 grams. 5 will remain as 5, 8 will be 8 upon 1000, which is 5 plus 0.008. Answer is 5.008 kgs. Last, 26 kgs, 50 grams. 26 will remain as 26. 50 into 1 upon 1000, which becomes 26 plus 0.050, which is equal to 26.050 kgs. With this, we finished exercise 8.4. Just remember the golden rule for the conversion. King Harry died, mother did not cry much for the kilometers or meters, or King Harry died, grandmother did not cry much for the kgs or grams. So if you know this, you can very easily convert your units into given questions. So very soon I am going to come with exercise 8.5. Till then, see you. Have a great